but welcome. It is another day and we are out here on this beautiful day doing some work, some cleanup. Never ends. We've got all sorts of stuff to do today. We're gonna have to be moving fast and furious. So I apologize in advance if there's not a lot of talking here. Hopefully we'll be able to keep up with just letting you follow along.
He likes this. One of its eyes are closed, or it's sleeping. Sleepy chip.
Ooh, that's gonna be a small hole to get him through. So we've got an ear tag remover. I've been wanting to get those ear tags off the pigs for a while now. Looked up the best way to do it is with this handy dandy ear tag remover. So we're gonna use this. Oh, it's even got a handy magnet on it. There we go. And then this is the band castrator and band docking tool. We are not gonna dock our lambs. It's too late anyway. You gotta do that, I think, within like the first 24 hours. You gotta dock the tails with a band if you're gonna do it that way. Otherwise, it's gotta be done surgically. And we just don't see the need for that, given our situation, our circumstances. I can understand why they do it. Larger operations, but this'll just be used for castrating our lambs. You can also use it for castrating calves, but these bands are for both calves and lambs. This band is going to suck down, shrink down around the scrotum of the lamb, and basically it'll cut off any blood to that area, and then that area will basically rot and fall off. Or you can cut it off once it gets to a point where it's basically like a hard shriveled raisin. So I've got to get the chainsaws ready so that we can get out there and cut a tree down, which I'm not really looking forward to. I mean, it might be kind of fun, but it might also be kind of terrifying, considering we have to pull it, and this is the first time I've pulled the tree. While we're at it, we're gonna look at my other chainsaw because I think I ran out of bar oil on it and I was running it and it seized up. So that's something that you do not want to do. Come on, let's go see how big of a noob I was the other day. But man, it was cold. My fingers hurt. I was out there all alone, and suddenly, you know, I want to be done, and the chainsaw's not working. I think maybe subconsciously I knew what I was doing, and I was just using it as an excuse to go back in and get warm. And let me tell you, there is nothing like going out doing some work on the farm on a cold, wintry, snowy day. 20-mile-per-hour winds beating down on you. Being able to go back in and get nice and warm. Yeah, everything's good and running just fine. Hold on a second. I'm leaving this garage door open and the cats might run in there. Decide to snack on a little chick. We gotta keep guard as the door is closing because the cats have been known to race in just at the last second. Thank you for standing watch with me at the garage door. We are the watchers of the garage door. The last defense between the vile cats. You know, I love the cats. I love my cats. I don't like cats in general, but I love my cats. They stay outdoors. They mind their own business. They come up for pets. But it always seems to work out that you want to pet them when they come up for pets. So, and then when they do come up for pets, they act like they really appreciate it. Otherwise, they pretty much just mind their own business. Stay away and catch mice. Hi, buddy.
You might not want to move.
A little uncomfortable. Yeah, I imagine that'll kind of be uncomfortable for him for the next, let's say in the next hour it'll completely go numb and you won't even know it's there. Buddy, our little black lamb, he is 8 weeks old. For some reason I was thinking on the 4th of April was when we were going to band him at 8 weeks old. I redid the math, we should have banded him a couple days ago. We want to do it right on the his 8th week anniversary. Anyway, 10 days or so before we're going to band the other 2 bucks. We'll have all of our males banded. So this all went pretty well. It was interesting using this. This tool worked a little differently than I expected it to. Compared to what I've seen other people use, this didn't quite do like what I thought it would. So I might take a look at Baumgars and see if they have the tool, the style that I'm looking for. But this worked great. Otherwise, I did have to kind of individually pull each prong out as we went. If that's what you got to do, then I guess it worked fine. Also, we pulled all of the excess wool off from Buddy's mama that's been shedding, and she just hasn't quite been able to get that wool shed yet. But we pulled all the excess wool off from Buddy's mama, the black ewe back there. And she looks a lot sharper now. Yeah, she looks like a nice, slim, trim hair sheath now. So Buddy's mama got a haircut. Her summer due, she's ready to go out and enjoy the sunshine as soon as the pastures are ready for her.
She needs a summer hairdo as well. Looking all scraggly.
Who?
This one.
Oh yeah.
She's trying, but it's just like you want to go in there and just rip it.